tyres. It's selling my Honda Pacific Coast. Had this bike a couple of years now, and just bought a Harley with a big motor in it. Okay, so fantastic bike, nice low floor seat height. You know, it's only about 24-inch inside leg measurement you need to touch the deck, so beautiful and low. All the weight's under the seat. Cracking bikes, basically like a mini Goldwing, but without all the extra weight. Fantastic bike, built originally for the Japanese who were short in the leg like me. So if you want a cracking tourer, my other one done over 100,000 on it. Okay, I will be keeping that anyway, but I bought this bike because it's in such good nick. Very hard to find a low mileage one of these, and all the exhaust, everything, which costs a fortune on these, is really good. As you can see, powder coated wheels. It is actually a metallic, does shine like hell in the sun. Needs a bit of a clean at the back, but cracking bike with a bit of spray on the mirrors and the crash bar things. You know, this bike literally would look brand new, but not asking a fortune for it, considering it's had the brakes rebuilt with stainless steel pistons, you know, new seals and stuff. It's got .5 fluid in, so it's fully synthetic, and a cracking bike. Got the old electric grips as well, which, to be honest with you, once you've had electric grips, fantastic bit of kit. Yeah, they really are. But just looking for me keys so I can show you the thing going. But, must have left them upstairs. Anyway, cracking bike. If you want a really cool on the Pacific Coast, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, email me, MikeChubbuck@ccuk@mac.com, or the cell phone 07831 383 534. Thank you.